you're new to the channel, I go by the name of ED. For all you smart and intelligent folks out there, that just simply means Ed. I have an 8-point framework, and these 8 points, my goal, my mission, my job here is to unpack today's title, which is entitled The Distinctive Characteristics of a Successful Project Manager. You know, there's a quote by James Clear, and I mentioned it before, but I'm going to bring it here because it makes so much sense. James Clear said something. He's the author that wrote the book Atomic Habits. He also has an app out as well. So check out both of those products. But again, he said, highly focused people do not leave their options open. They select their priorities and are comfortable ignoring the rest. If you commit to nothing, you will be distracted by everything. And I had to do the everything instead of, you know. But anyway, let's get to the first point. Point number one, conflict resolution skills.